Hello, everyone. This is Deb. It's been a while, I think, since I've been on, probably, or maybe by the time you've seen this, it hasn't been so long. But I know there's been a gap in February when I'm filming this, and I do apologize. I have several things that I'll be working on very soon, but I kind of lost my jewelry making mojo for a couple weeks, 2 weeks. So I do apologize for that, but I'll be coming back and hopefully I'll be a little more consistent. And at least a video a week is what I'll aim for. A video or a live a week. Okay, so this is the Potomac Beads March Treasure Box. Um, it's a monthly subscription. I am part of their influencer program, so I um, get this box for free in exchange for doing an unboxing video and at least one other video. I usually do a finished pieces project share. Once in a while I'll do a tutorial with you, but not usually. Just depends. So let's open it and see what we have. So I already opened it to the point where I got this out, but I didn't even read it. I just wrote when I received it, February 22nd, but it's for March, and so you will not see this till around the 10th or 11th. They ask us to not do it till the 11th, but people aren't following that, and so when I see that, I want to get my video out there too, so you guys can see it. All right. This is called Earthen Serenity. Awesome. I'm I'm a Capricorn, which is an earth sign, and I do tend to gravitate towards earth tones and stuff like that. So that sounds interesting to me. This collection invites you to rekindle a deep bond with the natural world, encouraging a sense of peace. And I see it's bouncing, so I'm sorry about that. Through the understated elegance of earth-inspired hues, and set against a canvas of topaz and bronze, the vibrant greens of fresh spring buds and the ethereal translucent blue breathe life into the ensemble. The organic texture of natural linen cord and the unique dappled appearance of check glass introduce a tactile dimension to your creations. Every piece you design will become a cherished keepsake, echoing the tranquil and balanced essence of nature's serene beauty. We have gotten natural linen cord, I think, in the past. So let's see what we have in here. Let's find the cord since they mentioned that. Okay, here it is. I'm pretty sure I already have one of these open. Bead Tech Wax Linen Cord. I don't do a whole lot of knotting and things, but I'll try and macrame, but I'll try and use it this time. But I think I'll pull out the one I already have open and used once, and use that. So yeah, all right. Now I'm just gonna pull things out. Let's see. Check leaf hearts in peridot. That's an unusual color for hearts, but they could double as leaves like it says. And peridot AB, and it looks like 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 9. Hmm, odd number. But they're kind of cool. You know, usually you wouldn't use hearts, but I could use them as leaves, and that would be fine. 10. Well, nine's a good number also. I have an idea for them. So, anyway. All right. We got some lever back ear wires and antique brass plating, 18 millimeter. I was trying to see if they have a design on them, but yeah, they have the shell design on. See? Lever backs are my fave because they're secure. They're one of the most secure anyway. Another one that's secure is like a, oh, the name just flew out of my mind. It's like a, it's like a shepherd's hook, but it closes. I'll think of the name eventually. Sorry. Ooh, we got a check mix in Sandy Treasures. I'm just going to dump this out. I'm not going to go through every little bit, but it'll give us a chance to see. The one just popped right out at me. To see what all's included. Okay, some larger pieces. That's a square. Mine has a little boo-boo on it. These are those carrier beads, but it's in like a white with Picasso. This is an interesting, like a shell bead. And a couple larger rounds and rondelles. And some black beads in sort of a matte and also a shiny. Some tortoise color. Some flowers. Some, I think they're not go-go beads. I forget what they're called, but they're like a little disc. These I like, these little sort of squared off ovals in white with like a Picasso or travertine or something finish. Yeah, some more little flowers, some drops. Interesting mix there. Oh, two shiny blacks and two satin blacks. They're pretty cool. And a couple of these flowers. I saw another one. And they're like bead cap flowers. They're pretty. So that's what I got in the bead mix. They're probably just scoops, so everybody's will be a little different. And that is called Sandy Treasures Check Glass Mix. I will most likely be using that. Check flat cube beads. One sec. Okay, these are called Jet Antique Gold Check flat cube beads. I don't know. These are a pressed glass. I can tell because there's a seam. I don't think I've ever seen these before. They're interesting. They're sort of angled out. Jet is obviously black and then it has like an antique gold finish on. They're different. Very interesting. This one is broken. So the pack of 12 is now a pack of 11. That's sad, but it happens sometimes. That's life, you know. All right, and we have check smooth round beads in light earthy mix 6mm treasure box only. Tea box they call it. So far all of this is treasure box only. And there's some matte and some like frosted and some clear. There's some blues and pale greens and very pale topaz, I guess. I don't know. Like a champagne, more like a champagne color. They're pretty. I'll definitely use those. I like them. All right. Then we have some Potomac crystal bicones in smoky topaz AB in 6mm. It's nice to get some a little bigger. And I love the color topaz, the smoky topaz. Isn't that gorgeous? And it has an AB finish. Those I love. I don't know how many's in here. Does it say? I'm not sure. I think it says 48 beads. It might be 48. I'm not sure. I'm not going to take the time to count them right now, clearly. Those are gorgeous and will go with a lot of the beads in this bead mix over here so far. And also probably with these. So cool. All right, we got some more large beads. These are check faceted rounds in Sunset AB, 14mm. I don't use beads that large very often except as focals or on bead dangles. These are very faceted. They're very pretty. Sunset AB. It's like a clear sunset, orangey. They're really pretty. And then also check faceted rondelle beads in brown AB and 9mm. Let's see them, and let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of those. I kind of wish everything wasn't AB. Sometimes I like it to be, you know, just plain, but they're all pretty so far. So, yeah, I'm liking them. Okay, here we go. These are heavy. Corrugated melon beads, 8mm, premium antique brass plating, pack of 10. These have a number, 153282, and I'll bet these did too. The bicones are number 209977. If you're interested in getting the box, subscription box, or if you just want to go check out their website and purchase anything, please use my web link, my link to their site below. It just gives me credit. I don't get any further money from it. I'm not an affiliate. I'm just an influencer. And I think I'm going to keep it that way. I'm not sure for how long, but I do at least get some credit, I think, to keep me in this program if you use my link to go shop there. I have no discount code or anything for you, sorry, but these are nice. They have a little larger hole too, so they'll go well with the waxed linen cord to go through that hole, and they are corrugated. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. There we go. They're like a melon bead, only they're metal. I definitely will use those too. Antique brass, we have antique brass theme going on with the ear wires as well. All right, so then we have check glass tile beads, black and gold. These are treasure box only. Oh, the ear wires, by the way, have a number too. The lever backs 153004. I forgot to mention those. So 3 things have. All right, and these we got 6 of. They're gold around the edges, and they have like the sunburst gold there. They're different. They're sort of Art Deco-y in my eyes. Yeah. All right, we have a couple more little bags of stuff, and then we have some strands and oh, these are interesting. Okay. First up, these are number 50400 Hemu wood beads round 8mm, and they have a larger hole. I might not take them out. You can see they're a smooth, round, natural color wood bead, very lightweight, and the larger hole will also work with the linen, waxed linen cord. All right, coffee beans, matte dark roast. These are 320958. I've had these before, but I don't think I've had them from Potomac Beads. Yeah. And it says matte dark brown, but they have like a, almost like a, oops, where'd it go? Like a burgundy look to it. And they're definitely coffee bean beads. The hole goes through long, long ways. I actually like them. I like different stuff, you know? All right. And then in this bag, we have Eva Beads. And they're in jet bronze. We've had these before. They're 2-hole beads, number 205011, 6x9mm. They're more for bead weaving, but you can use them in designs without bead weaving. But the cord's not going to go over them. You'll need to use needle and thread for these, or beading wire at the very, if you just do a one pass through. They're a pretty color. I love the color. And it's called jet bronze, so they're black with a bronze coating on them, basically. Eva Beads. I'm not big into bead weaving, as you all probably know. Anyway, now we have a couple strands, and we got another tube of seed beads. I love the color of these. These are Ado, I think. Yep, Mayuki Seed Beads, translucent slate in Ado. It's interesting they gave us blue, but they said in the write-up, right, that there'd be blues and greens. Well, there's some blue in here and the greens there. And here's more blue. This is a really pretty color. Translucent slate blue. And I like the 8/0 size because I can use that easily in just bead stringing as well as in bead weaving if I wanted to, which I don't really feel like bead weaving. It just takes me forever and I'm slow to begin with as far as beading, and that takes me forever and people don't buy it much. You never get your money back from the time spent if you're slow like me anyway. What are these called? These are little tiny daggers, I think. Check dagger beads. These are small ones. I don't have my pull out thing. Let's see if I can figure out. Oops. Okay. They're like half a centimeter, so I'm not good with that. Less than half an inch long, and they're only about 3 or 4, what is that, millimeters across. These are tiny daggers. They're kind of cute, and they're sort of in a gray, almost that smoky blue, gray blue. Where's the seed beads? Yeah, they go pretty together. We got some 8mm rounds, and I think they're check glass. Check rounds, 8mm. They're in like a topaz color and no AB, so yay. I like that, and they'll go great with this or these or those or all of this really. And then we got some faceted rounds, 4mm. They don't tell you the color, but they're sort of a cream with a travertine or Picasso finish on them. They'll go good with the coffee beans. Where'd I put them? Or anything here, really, also. Everything in here. Oh, look, there's some stripy beans or beads in there too. They're cool. And they're little, are they top drilled or bottom drilled? Oh, they're drilled top to bottom. I like that. Yay. I don't always want to use top drilled. There's some little stars in that mix too. So I think that's everything in the kit. Yes, it's quite a lot actually. The pricing is on the website. I stopped putting what the original price was because I wasn't sure if it would be, be the same since it's a year later that I started this in January 2023 and I'm continuing. So yeah, I hope, oops, let me move stuff down so you can't see what's all the way up there. And the wax cord can come down here, wax linen cord. So yeah, that is the March 2024 Earthen Serenity Treasure Box by Potomac Beads. Looks like a lot of fun. I have a couple different ideas going on in my head right now. Whether I'll remember them by the time I get to use this, I don't know, but come back and see. And whenever I post, make sure you're subscribed so that you can see my makes. And if you have questions about how I do anything, let me know and I'll try and go over it with you at some future point. Take care, have a wonderful day, and hugs, love, and peace.